CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.4 Given a scenario, use the appropriate Microsoft Windows 10 Control Panel utility. Indexing Options. Next on our Control Panel tour is Indexing Options, a powerful feature that optimizes search performance on your Windows 10 system. Whether you're constantly searching for documents, emails, or other files, indexing can significantly speed up the process by cataloging content and properties of files. To access indexing options, open the Control Panel and give Indexing Options a click. This will open the Indexing Options applet. This applet will immediately display all the locations that Windows is currently indexing or cataloging. These locations typically include your personal files, email, and offline files. The goal is to make search operations, performed in the Windows search bar, Windows File Explorer, the Start menu, and email client, or by Cortana, faster and more efficient by creating an index of all these files and their properties. One of the primary features here is the ability to modify indexed locations. By clicking on the Modify button, you can add or remove locations from the indexing list. For example, if you have a new folder where you frequently store documents, you can add it to the indexed locations to ensure it's included in future searches. Conversely, if there's a folder you don't want to be indexed, perhaps an application folder or a directory with sensitive information, you can easily exclude it. To do this, simply uncheck the folder in the list of indexed locations. This helps keep your searches relevant and efficient. By carefully managing what gets indexed, you can ensure that your searches are both fast and relevant. Whether you're adding important new folders to be indexed or excluding unnecessary ones, Indexing Options provides you with the control you need to customize your search functionality. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.